In today's video, we will discuss how to connect Contour Form 7 data via Webhook. So as you know, Webhook is a method of transferring data from one application to another. So we will show how to do this with Contour Form 7. So basically, we'll record this video part by part. We will show you how to connect via Pabbly. And on another video, we will show how to connect via Zapier. On another video, we'll show how to connect two different WordPress plugins like Fluent CRM or Fluent Support. So on this video, we will discuss how to connect with Pabbly. So this is almost the same process of connecting with any webhook. So let me get started. So first of all, you need to make sure you have Contour Form 7 and Ultimate Addons for Contour Form 7 is enabled. Now, we already covered how to install this on another video. Just check this video, which should pop up on top of this video by now. Now let's go to all add-ons and search for Webhook. And here you find this add-on. You need to enable this add-on. Now let's go and connect our form. So we name this form Pabbly because this is a Pabbly setup. Now we scroll down, enable Webhook, and hit save. Now you will see on Webhook we have different options. The request URL, the request method, we have the add, post, put, delete that. Depending on the platform, you will have to select which method you want to use. And here we have the JSON format and the form data format. So we also have the request header options, where you can send by form data or custom value. And here we have the request party. So let's go to Pabbly and get our request URL first. So here is the Pabbly dashboard. So as you are on this beta, I'm guessing you already have a Pabbly account. Now on the dashboard, you need to click Pabbly Connect and access now. It should open all a new tab and take you to the Connect dashboard. Here I need to create a workflow. So we name this CF7 workflow and create. So on the workflow, you will immediately find this webhook, or you can search here. So we click webhook here. And on the trigger event, we had to search for catch webhook. Now we need to copy this URL and go to our form and paste the URL on this request URL option. Request method can be post. Format can be JSON. No need for the header for this one. Here we select name, and you can name this name. We duplicate this. This can be email. That's duplicate. This can be subject, duplicate, and this can be message. Now we hit save. Now let's copy this form as publish. We go to a page. We may make Pabbly. Please go to view page. Now let's try and fill up our form. So the form has been submitted. Let's go and check our response. So here you can see we already got the response. So this is the subject, this is Charles Brown, this is our message, this is our email. So we successfully got our data on Pabbly. Now you just have to go ahead and you connect this data with your preferred app, whichever app you want to. So from this part, you can check Pabbly's tutorial, Pabbly's documentation, how to connect each of these apps. So that's basically it for our part. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.